Wait, are Bradley Cooper and Gigi Hadid secretly married? Paparazzi just caught them both flashing matching gold wedding bands on their left hands, and insiders say they're legit bachelor rings. No confirmation from the couple, but these photos are doing all the talking. They've stayed low-key since 2023, and now this? Either it's a bold statement or the quietest wedding in Hollywood history. Do you think they made the right call? Tell us below. She just broke hearts in The Best Mother in the World, and now Shirley CRUZ is flipping the script. She's set to star in The She-Devil, a trans coming-of-age story from directors Clara Ferrer and Taina Bevilacqua. This is a huge leap from her Berlinale breakout. The project is still in development, but the buzz is already insane. CRUZ is about to become a household name. Do you think this is her Oscar moment? Tell us below. And Hathaway just hit the red carpet in LA, and she basically broke the internet. The pregnant star showed off her growing baby bump in a crop top and low-rise jeans at her new movie premiere. Total Y2K vibes, and she looks absolutely glowing. She's clearly not hiding anything, just owning that pregnancy style. But fans are already split on the look. Some are loving the throwback fit, others are saying it's a fashion risk. Do you think she nailed it or missed the mark? Tell us below. Rupert Murdoch as you've never seen him, Guy Pearce is unrecognizable in the first look at Danny Boyle's new film, Inc. And Netflix just dropped the release date. The movie dives into the ruthless birth of his tabloid empire, and it's already being called explosive. It hits select theaters December 11th, then lands on Netflix January 8th. This is the drama everyone's going to be talking about. Do you think Pearce nailed the look? Tell us below. A female sniper is taking on ISIS, and the first teaser is here. The movie's called No Paradise If You Are Killed by a Woman. It's being pitched as a full-on revenge thriller, and the title alone is a gut punch. This isn't just another war film, it's personal, brutal, and it's premiering at Venice. But the question everyone's asking, is Hollywood glamorizing a real war? Do you think they made the right call? Tell us below. She drops a bomb at Bible study, 3 years of cheating, and she's not sorry. Kate's confession flips the script, she says she only fell in love because her marriage was already dead. No tears, no guilt, just brutal honesty. Her husband's reaction? Not what you'd expect. This isn't a breakup story, it's a rewrite of the rules. Do you think she made the right call? Tell us below. A Mexican director who made dark adult dramas just dropped a kids movie, and the whole industry is buzzing. The Newcomers just premiered at Locarno, and within days, a German sales company snagged worldwide rights. That's a fast move. This is Rodrigo Pla's first family film, and insiders are calling it a total pivot. Will this new direction make or break his rep? Do you think they made the right call? Tell us below. Wait, did you see what just took home the top prizes in TV? The Set Decorators Society just crowned its winners, and it's a major flex. Widow's Bay, Fallout, and Hacks all walked away with big honors. That's right, the shows with the most insane, detail-packed rooms just got their flowers. But here's the kicker, these set decorators basically built entire worlds from scratch. So, which show's vibe would you live in? Do you think they made the right call? Tell us below. Wait, they actually killed Helena? That's the season 3 finale twist nobody saw coming. The show's moral heart is gone. Faya Sabin says it's pure tragedy, and they totally changed Mailer's storyline from the books to get there. Fans are losing it over this brutal choice. Did the writers go too far, or was this the only way? Do you think they made the right call? Tell us below. You remember Cooter from the Dukes of Hazzard? That lovable mechanic? Ben Jones just passed away at 84 from a heart attack. His wife broke the news on Facebook. But here's the twist, he didn't just fix cars on TV. He swapped the garage for the Capitol, becoming a real-life politician in Georgia. 2 wild careers, 1 unforgettable face. Fans are already flooding social media with tributes. Do you think he made the right call? Tell us below.